Hello everybody and welcome back to ONF Gaming, and today we're here at Alton Towers Resort, my friend Zach, and it's opening day, first day of the season. Let's get to the plaza. So guys, here we are in the turnstile, we're waiting for the ticket sales and collection. Joel. Hi. Tom's for ONF Gaming. Hey guys.
Hi, I'm Casey.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, I'm Sam.
Okay, and this is Zach. And here's UMB, the DJ. And we're just going to be waiting for some other people still, and then, you know, in we go. Hey guys, we've now met with Jamie.
Hi guys, we're vlogging today at the town.
And
we're all going good, blah 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 blah.
Here is everybody. And over here we've got the star of the show.
Hello.
The ONF Gaming vlog.
How's it going?
Yep.
Having a great time. I regret being here. Bye.
Yep. Whoa, what's going on here? Okay guys, we've just got to wait for Carol, Lee and Jack, but we're going through the turnstiles. ONF Gaming vlog.
I want to go back to
Joel.
Oh shit, so realistic.
Nice. Why are you looking like that? So how was
They didn't take away my snacks. I'm so happy. I got Pringles!
Pringles!
Are you a theme park nerd like us?
He's not. He's a dirty GP.
You've come on the wrong day, honestly.
Yeah, I know. We're about to go on Spinball Wizard as the first coaster of 2019. Yeah! So we're getting a nice spinner in here, yeah? Still not with Carol and Lee and Jack, but you know, we're selfish. So guys, basically, this is awful. We're already, we're walking out of the, this is disgusting. Awful treatment. Walking out of the, they were scary. They're all walking down here, so I guess we'll... Yes, spinball broke. Spinball machine broke. So I guess we're going to go on somewhere else. And I doubt we'll get a ride on spinball today. So I guess that's just how it is. It's awful treatment, isn't it? Yeah. We got our first actual ride of the year. Hopefully we're going to go on Oblivion. So that's good. So we just got off Oblivion.
Vlogging.
And what do you think
Why am I
about that
vlogging?
ride?
There are so many theme park YouTube videos, I'm barely going to scratch the surface.
So, I think that ride was great, and I do, as always, love Oblivion.
Why don't my parents love me?
Guys! Sammy, let's hear an American. What do you think of Oblivion?
Better than Valkyrie.
Much better.
High rating, wow. So we're waiting at the end of Tower Street. Got a big gang going on here. So we got a 90-minute queue for Wicker Man, and we've picked up some more people. Just go past, guys. Go on.
Stop holding up the line.
Hi. You're in
Whoa!
of the vlog.
That's crazy. Zach. Go on. Carol.
Hi. I look awful.
Dan.
Hello. Oh my
Lee.
god. I've probably been in this vlog like 3 times.
Yay! Also, there's this guy. Okay, so it's been about maybe an hour so far, and we're still waiting for the Wicker Man. So what do you think about this queue? Okay. It's too loud.
It's so loud in here. It's a vlog. It's the first day on the job and he's already going.
It's Theme Park Worldwide on YouTube, check it out.
Check it out! We just got off Wicker Man. That was a great ride. That was a great ride. Let's just ask. Where's Sammy?
Oh my god.
Hey, look, the
Where's Sammy? Oh, there. What do you think?
Oh, Wicker Man?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
That was a good ride.
Yeah, it was really good. Like, I knew from the theming, like when I previewed it before I came, that it was going to be really good.
Yeah.
And, but like, I didn't expect it to be that good. Like, the pre-show was awesome.
Crazy good ride.
Yes.
We are down here in the Thorpe Hidden Valley area and looking over at Nemmersis. One train up, so what's going on there? What's going on there? That's a bit crazy, right? We're going to have a look at Galactica, but here we are now inside the coffee, I don't know what it's called. What's this place called?
Costa.
What's this place called?
It's got coffee. It's called coffee something.
Coffee something. And, so as you can see out this window here, there's Jamie. So we're going on Nemmersis now. The beast Nemmersis. We're in the extension queue. Pretty mental. It's a pretty long queue. But this is going to be
sloppy camera work.
It's going to be a great ride. Okay, we just got off Nemmersis, the world's most intense ride experience, and I think that was a great ride. Would you agree?
Yes.
No.
Especially,
And what would? Oh, you wanted to say something? Okay.
especially just the intensity.
Okay.
You know, it is the most intense ride.
The world's most intense one.
It is
What would
also
you expect?
like not a good coaster.
Wow.
I don't think it's very good.
Wow. And here's Dan coming off, and Jamie, etc. Did you do front row?
Yeah.
I need to see the Americans' opinion.
Yeah, doesn't he like it?
Americans, what did you think?
That was good.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's definitely my favorite ride so far. Yeah.
See?
Did you say it was one of the best?
Carol is wrong. So now we're gonna go on
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, I can't.
Galactica, but it has no virtual reality headsets on it anymore, so that's good. We've lost Harry and Zoe and Jack. They've gone off to do something and they're going to meet us later in the day, but I think that after this maybe us two are going to go and ride 13. I don't know if anybody wants to join us, but it's going to be great.
Oh, that's not bad. Here it's fine. Yeah, but 10-15 minutes. We can say the sky ride. No, you can't. Even that low.
So we just tried to go and get a disc pass for Tom, but that wasn't working out because it's a big queue. So me and Zach are now, because we got a priority pass for 1.2, we're gonna run speed walk to Wicker Man, get a ride on Wicker Man, and then meet up with the guys at the end, and girl. Yeah. And it's gonna be good. We just got the best ride on Wicker Man I've ever had. It was running insanely, crazy speed. Weren't particularly anywhere good in the train, but it was just crazy speed. That was great. And as you can see over here, here's Thomas and here's Carol. So, yo.